Hey, I'm Chivam, and if you're like me and you care about staying safe online, or you just want to access content from anywhere, I've got a super quick guide for you. Today, I'm showing you how to set up a VPN on your MacBook in under just 90 seconds. First, you pick a VPN service. I like the ones that are easy and reliable, like ProtonVPN, NordVPN, or Shawshank. You sign up, then you download the version for your Mac right from the website. Open the app on your device and then log in into your account that you have signed up earlier. Most apps will show you a big connect button, but before you hit it, choose your server location. You want to appear in the US, pick a US server. Europe, pick one over there. Now hit the connect button. Your Mac might ask you to add VPN configurations. Just say yes. When it's connected, you'll see a VPN icon in your menu bar. Once you're done, you open the app and then you can click disconnect. Quick tip: keep your VPN on whenever you're on public Wi-Fi or you want extra privacy online. That is it. Fast, easy, and your Mac is now safer. For more tech guides, check out techloy.com.